Wouldn't you like to master every aspect of the Elder Scrolls Online without having to spend hours every day playing the game? How would you like to? Level from 1 to 50 in just 4 days playtime while not missing any valuable or rare items. Become your guild's master craftsman for any profession. Use the best builds for any class or playstyle. And become one of the richest merchants in all of Tamriel. We created ESO Mastery Guides to help players who are looking to achieve these feats. We have a dedicated team of professional Elder Scrolls Online players that spend most of their time theory crafting and developing advanced strategies for our guides. Using our guides allows you to sit back and enjoy the game without having to figure out the fastest leveling path, how to craft the best gear, how to make tons of gold, or how to build the best character. Our team has done all the work, testing and min-maxing for you so you can spend more time just playing the game. Like every other MMORPG, the Elder Scrolls Online is an ever-changing game, so our team is constantly working on improving and updating our guide content for new patches. Our guides are for all versions of the game on all different platforms including PC, Mac, PlayStation 4, and Xbox One. So if you're ready to own the ultimate character, sign up for ESO Mastery Guides today and see why we're rated the #1 source for Elder Scrolls Online guides.